Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. We are just continuing along in the book. If you do make a purchase, I make a small commission. Looks like today we're working on puzzle number 64. How about we start here? Looks like we're missing a 2 and a 3. We've got a 3 there. So 2, 3. For this row, looks like we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here. So this is our 8, 9, 6. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 3 here. So 5. That 9 makes this our 3 and our 9. We work on this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 2, and a 6. We've got a 1 and a 6 here. So 2, we've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. So for this box then, we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 there, so 4 and 2. For this row then, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 there, so 8, 5. And for this box then, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. So for this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 9 here. So this is our 4, this is our 9, and this is our 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and a 6 here, so 3. And no help down here. So 4, 6, 4, 6. Finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 7, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 3 there, so 5, 3. For this box then, we're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 7 there, so 5, 7. And for this box, looks like we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. To finish out this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an 8. For this column, 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 there, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got the 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. To finish out this row, we're missing a 1. For this column then, we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 there, so 8, 5. To finish out the box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 there, so 4 and 6. All right, that was a pretty quick one today. So thank you again for joining me. Please like, subscribe, share with anyone you think will enjoy this content. It does help the channel out, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.